Hi, my name is Julia Stambaugh. I am the production coordinator here at the Fredericksburg, Virginia location of America's Home Place. I deal with customers kind of on the back end of the process. I track all of our site allowance costs, support our production team, any little things that they might need done, sending plans out, sending POs out to the independent trade contractors. So that's mainly what I deal with is the paperwork, making sure the paperwork is correct, making sure that we're dotting our I's and crossing our T's on all of our paperwork because it's very important. Typically, common changes that we see a lot are upgrading the flooring, adding things like a little desk area right off the kitchen so mom can be cooking while the kids are doing their homework, adding a place to sit down and take your shoes off when you come in from the garage. So we see people who are making very modest changes where they're maybe changing where you enter the bathroom to very, very customizable houses. So we're seeing a lot of people that really want to sit down with our kitchen designer and really get specific about one color on the upper cabinets, one color on the lower cabinets, or they're adding cabinets in their pantry, adding size to the island. They're making the island longer. I would say the most common upgrade is flooring. Most people nowadays are not wanting any carpet in their homes. A lot of times they are upgrading to the hardwood, or we do see a lot of people upgrading to the luxury vinyl planking, which is very popular now and more waterproof than hardwood would be. And then we have people who, pretty much like everything about it. They're just adding a fireplace, which is fairly common. A lot of people will add a fireplace. They don't come standard in the house. We have a lot of people that are wanting a more open floor plan. So they may pick a particular plan that they like the flow of, but maybe they don't like the way the kitchen is oriented. Or they're adding things like bookcases. They are adding cabinets in the kitchen. You have a hallway bathroom that has 2 doors. They're taking one out, just making it more exclusive bathroom. So we're getting a lot of that customization right now. Maybe to do with the fact that they were in their house for a long time and they've thought about, hey, this is what I would want if I build another house or build a house. This is what would benefit our family. If you'd like to learn more about the custom home building process, please visit us at americashomeplace.com and like and subscribe.